Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can download Spotify on your MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.spotify.com/us/download/Mac. So once you type it in, you will be redirected to this page where you need to click on the download option. Once you click on it, the Spotify installer will get downloaded on your MacBook. So now all you need to do is give permission to the Spotify installer to allow Spotify to get installed in your device. So once the download process comes to an end, it will start to install in your device. So after a few minutes, the Spotify app will get downloaded on your MacBook. So to locate where your Spotify is, you need to click on the launchpad and scroll through it to find your Spotify right there. So this is how you download Spotify on your Mac. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.